Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to insert a logo in Word document. First you need to click on the insert on the top menu bar and click on the pictures, and you need to click on the this device and find the logo in your computer where you place it. Normally people place it in the desktop and I always do that. Here is the logo. For example, I'm selecting this one, click on insert, and here you can see that the logo is inserted. From the corner of this point you can make it drag towards inside to make it short, or you can make it bigger as per your requirement. Also you can see that this is the point where you can rotate your logo and fix it in the any position. Moreover, when you try to move this logo, it is not moving. So what you have to do is you need to click on this layout option and click on this square option. Click on that, and now you can move logo anywhere on the page, even though fix anywhere. Moreover, right click and go to the picture format and click on this basket, and here you can select the solid line. To select the solid line, here you can the lines width. You can also select the dash if you want to, and here you can see that there is a dash border in the logo. So in this way you can easily insert logo in MS Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.